What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Discord password if you forgot it. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, navigate to this Discord password support page. The link to this page will be linked below. On the password reset page, enter the email or phone number associated with your Discord account. This is how Discord will identify your account and allow you to reset your password. Once you've entered your email or phone number, Discord will send you a reset link. Check your email or phone's messages for this link. Open the email or message from Discord and click on the reset link that is provided to you. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. On the reset page, create a strong and secure new password for your Discord account. Make sure it's something you can remember, but hard for others to guess. Once you've created your new password, make sure to save it in a safe place. You'll need it to log in to your Discord account. Now, you can use your new credentials to log in and enjoy Discord once again. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.